What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video, and today is gonna be my room tour. Now, let's get started. Now, this is my collection of toys. I don't think you can see, but it's my Godzilla. And then this is my Michael Myers. It's my Chainsaw collection. My Ghostface. You can't see it. Hold on. Okay, where is it? Oh, and there we go. Got it. And then this is my Pennywise collection. Pennywise. Okay. And then this is my old school Pennywise collection. Now, I know you're saying, why is there Crash Bandicoot right there? Well, it's because Crash Bandicoot lives in there. Okay. Now, this is my Freddy Krueger collection. I don't know if you can see it or not, but now this is done. Hold on. Not done yet. We got this. My room has turned into the horror room. Sheesh. My costume from Halloween. Okay. My frame of Terrifier right here. It says, "Emmanuel, kill him with a smile," and it's signed. Okay, let's go. And then. What the heck? Okay. Ugh. I don't know if you guys can see this. And then I got some picture frames. I know you guys can't see it. Right there. And right here. It's another Killer Clowns. And then we got something down there. It's a chainsaw. Sorry, guys, I just farted.
Dude, on camera for real?
Okay, this is my chainsaw. You can't see him, but he's laughing he's yelling at Chop Top, and then Chop Top is yelling at the Hitchhiker. Okay, we got another drawing paint. I know you guys can't see it. Okay, this is all about my room tour. Goodbye.